In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a survey in Elementor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to create a simple survey form on any page of your WordPress site using the Elementor page builder. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu panel. Look for the option labeled Pages and click on it. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to place your survey. When you hover your mouse over that page title, a few options will appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open that page in the Elementor editor. Once the Elementor editor has loaded, turn your attention to the left panel. This is where all the Elementor widgets live. In the search box or by scrolling, look for the widget called Form. When you find it, click and drag it onto the area of the page where you want your survey to appear, then drop it there. As soon as you do, a basic form will appear on your page, and its settings will show up in the left panel. In the form settings, under the Content tab, you can start customizing. At the top, you can rename the form to something like Survey to keep things organized. By default, the form usually has 3 items or fields. To build out your survey questions, you can duplicate an existing item by clicking the duplicate icon on the right side of that item. To remove any field you don't need, click the small X icon on the right. To add a completely new question, scroll to the bottom of the item list and click Add Item. To edit a specific question, click on its item to expand it. Under that item's Content tab, choose the field type that best suits your question, such as text, text area, select, or others. Change the label to your actual survey question, and adjust the placeholder if you want to give users a hint about what to enter. You can toggle the required option if the question must be answered, adjust the column width to control layout, and modify the number of rows for longer answers. Under the Items Advanced tab, you'll see options for default values, field ID, and shortcode, which are useful if you need more technical control or integrations. Back in the main Content tab for the form, open the Actions After Submit accordion. Click the plus icon and choose what should happen after someone completes the survey. Common options are email, redirect, or both. If you select email, an email accordion will appear. Open it to configure where the responses should be sent, set the subject line, and customize the message body. You can also define the sender email and name, reply to address, and optionally add CC or BCC recipients, plus choose what metadata to include and how the email is sent. If you enable redirect, you can set a specific URL to send users to after they submit the survey, such as a thank you page. When you're happy with the structure and behavior, switch over to the Style tab to control how your survey looks. Here you can adjust typography, colors, spacing, borders, and more to match your site's branding. If you need finer control, open the Advanced tab where you can set margins, padding, motion effects, and other advanced options. Take a moment to review your survey on the page to make sure the questions are clear and the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile preview. Once everything looks and works the way you want, go to the top right corner of the Elementor interface and click the Update button if the page already exists, or Publish if it's a new page. After that, your survey is live and ready for visitors to fill out.